ExactFlat Monarch, how to make real patterns that fit perfect so that you can make real products and earn real money. Today, we're going to be looking at a 3D garment, a pair of jeans in 3D, and we're going to be finishing with 2D patterns ready for the cutter. The first thing is we have our garment in 3D, and our first step is to create what we call digital fabric by creating an optimal mesh for our flattening algorithms. We select the piece, and it doesn't take long to create the optimal mesh. You can see there it is finished. Next is we're going to go through our flattening process. It's 2 stages. The first stage is to create a flat pattern. We're going to show first the rendered view of the strain and the sag. Strain are areas of elongation and sag are areas of bunching up. And you can see there's the strain map. We want to eliminate all of that strain in the garment. So we're going to create our initial flat patterns. These are unoptimized. Remember, it is a 2-stage process. The first stage, unsew the pattern pieces, lay them flat. That's what you see on the screen right now. The second stage is to create the optimal flat patterns, and you can see they're very different from the initial ones. This doesn't take very long at all, and we've been doing this for 10 years, and we are very good at it, and we get it right every single time. These ones now are ready for adding features such as seam allowances, grain lines, notches, and here you can see as we zoom in, there are seam allowances, notches, grain lines that align perfectly because our patterns have 3D association built into them when we modeled it in 3D. This has been how to take a 3D garment, like a pair of pants, a pair of jeans, and flatten them to create patterns like this that are ready for the cutter. Patterns that fit perfect every time. ExactFlat Monarch is the easiest way to convert your time to money. Go to exactflatmonarch.com for more information.